Working your chest, shoulders and arms, the barbell chest press is a fantastic compound exercise for your upper body and should be a key exercise in your program. Doing it on a flat bench builds overall mass across your chest. When you start this exercise, make sure your feet are planted to the ground. There are several techniques on how you should have your back against the bench. It's okay to have a little dip in your back, but your glutes and upper back must be against the bench. Unrack the bar by extending your arms. The bar needs to be directly above your shoulders, which will take the strain of the weight. Then bring the bar down to your chest in a controlled manner. Once the bar touches your chest, push up with an explosive movement using your chest muscles. Try not to just use your arms and shoulders for this exercise. You should be working your chest, so when you push the bar back up, squeeze your chest together. When lowering the bar, be sure not to let the bar bounce off your chest. Lower in a controlled movement so it touches your chest, or rest slightly above your chest before pushing the bar back up in a straight line. And repeat this movement for the prescribed number of reps.